If we have
We have 10 fingers.
actually right. So we have 10 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So if I give you a calculation that we are just always seeing that what is 2 plus 2?
4.
2 plus 2, everyone knows that 4. But if I tell you that what is 81 plus 32? Can anyone calculate any fast?
130.
130?
30.
Yes, it is right. Okay. So I think that you are just clear about knowing the additions.
Yes, sir.
Have you ever known about the word simplification?
Yes, sir.
No. You know. Okay.
I don't know.
Simplification. Do you know about simplification?
Sir, I have a doubt in addition.
Yes. Tell me.
When we add count 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 plus 5, 4, 3, 2 is 11. How is it possible?
I just can our fingers there. Okay, if you open your one finger like this, how many are there? Is there 6? 5?
When I count 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Listen that. How much it is? 1, 2, don't count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it 5? And put it down. And second, how much it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know that when we just add the 5 plus 5, so it becomes 10. So if you open your fingers, now again open, and now just count with me. What is it? It is 5. No. After that you should have to 6. Okay.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, now you have listen.
No.
Now
When we count 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 plus
Right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How it, the plus is 11?
you are just going to backward and going to the upward. Do not just understand what I am saying that. We know that what okay just I can
Sir, we will write an application against you. You are not clearing concept.
No, okay. If I just ask you question, you can't able to give me answer.
Why should I
How
answer
you
the
can
question?
tell
I
me?
have paid to know the answer of
Go
question.
out of my class. You can't
Sorry,
just
sir.
do that.
I will not go.
Okay, I have to just play his concept.
My voice will throw
One
you out.
hand is 5. Yes. It's 5. And your second hand also
5.
5. We are just adding it. So we should have to use the sign of plus 5. So how is it? 5 plus 5, 10. 10. So we have like this, our fingers. You are just counting 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you are going to be with, you are just counting one and another one. But be with one, nah, we have just call it not 9, we call it 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we are counting from 9, you are just siding of single finger. I have a question with someone and no one just tell me whom I will ask, only he or she will be answering. Yes? Please tell me.
When I add 2 from 2, the result is 2. And when I multiply 2 from 2, the result is common 4.
Okay.
But
I understand what you want to say. You are not
Listen.
about calculations.
when I add 5 from 5, then result is common 10. And when I multiply 5 from 5, then result common 25. How?
Okay. So you are have a question that 2 plus 2 is coming 4. Yeah, right. And 2 into 2 coming also 4. Yes. So we have to just know about in a simple word of 2. Then we just call it. Okay. Just see a simple recap. It is 1. It is 2. Okay. We have 2. And here 1 and 2. When we add both, it becomes 4. But when we are just talking about 2, is anyone know about the table of 2? Okay, Mr. Raman, can you tell me the table of 2? You don't know. Please, Mr. Tumbu ma'am, can you just give me Mrs. Mrs. Yes. Tumbu ma'am, can you
Because
please
you are
tell me
not
the
teacher
table
of
of
1 to 3, you are just teacher of class. You are in
From that
subject.
2 to the 4.
It's a 6, 4 is a 8, 5 is a 10, 6 is a 12, 7 is a 14, 8 is a 16, 18, 2 is a 20.
So when we are just saying about if you just multiply 2 plus 2 it comes 4, but when we just multiply 3 into 3 it comes 9. So we had all the concept of table. If you know about the table 1 to 20, you will just easily able to give answers in a good manner and it is very much beneficial. So today I am giving you a homework that
Sir, he is asking that why 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, and why 5 into 5 is 25.
because
You are just misguiding student. I can clear that concept.
I can also do it.
Let me come. May I come?
Yes, you come. What do you want to say? Today my brilliant student Mr. Tekanshi is going to tell us about it.
After that,
Suppose that it is 1 orange, it is 1 orange, okay? We will add then how many orange we will get? We have 1 orange, we have another orange. And if I will just divide it in, then how many it become?
1/2.
It will also become 2.
How it will become 2? If you got
can
that,
I
it
can
become
I
half
clear
half.
this concept?
2 units, 1 unit and 2 units.
Can I clear
Therefore,
this? Can I clear this?
Anyone is understanding
Yes,
this?
sir.
No.
I know,
No.
sir,
Go to your seat. Go to your seat.
Who is not understanding?
Anyone is not understanding? No one is understanding.
Sir,
Give me the
sir,
marker.
Sir,
Leave outside the class.
Sir, I will explain. Let me clear it. Just wait. Firstly, when we add 2 plus 2, then it becomes 4. And your doubt is that when we multiply 2 into 2, it becomes 4. So basically, concept is that multiply is the same thing that we add, but it becomes easy for us. That's why if we just and your question is that how 3 into 3 becomes 9. So if we add 3 plus 3 plus 3, it becomes 9. So that is a basic concept that if we multiply 3 into 3, it 3 into 3 times, that becomes 9.
Did anyone understand?
We
This is
understand.
a real concept. Yes, I know that.